Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode from the Multi-Tools and Blades channel. Today's episode is about the pocket tool kit made by Seaboard steel company in France. This is one of two multi-tools made in the 1940s and 1950s by Seaboard for the American market. The companion to this was called the Pocket Auto Kit, which featured an adjustable wrench head instead of a plier. Without doubt, this would be the oldest spring-assisted plier-based multi-tool that I have in my collection. It feels very solid and capable in the hand, and that's not something that I was expecting from a French company. I see a lot of potential here, so I'm really surprised that this company didn't develop this and continue developing it and make it into something that was a bit more of what we know today. Just as pliers by themselves, they're really good, but then we have the outside tools. So first let's have a look at the Reamer. It's the old style, but you'll notice that it's on the opposite side to the German and Swiss competition. Although I don't really think that makes any difference in cutting. With the Reamer fully extended, it's hard not to notice how big this tool is. In its most compact form, it is longer, wider and heavier than a folded up Swiss tool. Next we have the main blade. It's a large blade, about the same size as what you would find on a Swiss tool, just a couple of millimeters shorter. There's no tang stamp and there's no lock on this blade, but it's a very strong back spring so it will hold it in place really well. Non-locking blades are very dangerous, but I have a little bit of confidence with this one. Just listen to how strong that spring is. Next we have 4 tools in one. We have a cap lifter, we have a large screwdriver, a metal file, and a metal saw. My opinion of the metal file is that the teeth are not aggressive enough, which is quite contrasting because all of the edges of this tool are quite sharp. Maybe it's just been used a bit too much and it's worn down a bit, but it just doesn't feel right. And this side is smooth, so yeah, there could have been another file on that side. The whole thing's been polished nice and smooth. I think it would have been really nice if it was knurled on the sides. Well, there you have it, another little interesting multi-tool from the 1940s and 50s from France. Wouldn't expect that. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you want to, and I'll catch you all next time.